I have a Kenmore model 110.28002011 type 588-06, put close in, close lid, push start, sensor and lid lock light then nothing.
Did you do a diagnostic check on this? Replacing parts without a diagnosis will go nowhere fast.
No, we did not. Followed advice from JustAnswers for the same problem.
I need for you to retrieve any error codes that the machine may have. To do this, all lights must be off and the whole process must be done within 6 seconds after you first turn the knob. Turn the main knob in the direction as listed below, wait half a second after each turn. Go 1 click per direction. CCW, CW, 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 CCW, CW. If done right, all the lights flash except for lid locked. Do as many times as you need to in order to get there. Let me know when lights flash for next steps.
Okay, all lights flashing except lid lock.
Turn now until only the done light is on. Press start. Error code is shown as 2 sets of lights. I need to know which are lit for each set. First set has fill/sensing light lit, second does not. Turning the knob will retrieve older codes, it stores up to 4. Just give me the latest one for now.
The code CL came up with the sensing and pre-wash light slit.
That does not tell me anything, unfortunately. The error codes need to show up as explained. Since they do not show, there is a possibility that the control is bad, but I cannot say that with any certainty. It is impossible to test any components without a functioning board. RepairClinic.com allows parts to be returned, so you could wing it and try the board. I have had issues with boards and lid switches on these. Just because it says lid lock does not mean that the part is indeed good.
The other codes were FO and EO. Does this help?
No, I do not see those listed anywhere.
Please give me more detail. I'm not clear on codes displayed as 2 sets of lights.
They appear as I stated. One set blinks, then the other comes on, and it repeats the pattern until you turn the knob for the next code.
Okay, the timer window showed FO indicator lights blinking were sensing and pre-wash, followed by code EO no lights lit.
That says no fault found, so that is obviously wrong as the washer does not operate. I would get the control, if economical, as some are very costly, and lid switch from Repair Clinic and return them if that does not fix this. A motor problem is rare on these. Make sure the belt is on and the plastic pulley is tight that it turns. Never hurts to look at basics.
Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.